All right, so we are right here across from downtown Bothell. My client's home is located on Riverside Drive, and this is just around the corner from it. And this bridge goes right across to downtown Bothell. This is the Sammamish River, 522, and downtown Bothell that we're walking up towards. This is the old downtown of Bothell. It's super cute and quaint. Very quaint and quiet little street. Bothell has changed so much in the last 20 years. There's a whole new retail residential mix here in town. It's such a beautiful town situated right at the crossroads of 405 and 522. Really easy access actually to I-5 through 405. Absolutely phenomenal spot to live.